Hello traders, welcome to another live trading session. Today is 28th November and the time is 9:11. Nifty is opening 82 points gap down and Bank Nifty is opening 226 points gap down. Let's check the global markets. Dow opened somewhere here and closed here. Consolidated almost whole day. Just first 30 minutes it moved higher on Friday and after that it consolidated and closed higher. And today morning Dow future opened somewhere here and it's falling. This is today's momentum, and SGX Nifty also showing a similar kind of pattern. It opened somewhere here and it's falling, and now it recovered from the low. Low is 557. From the low it recovered almost 50-60 points, and this is after our market closing. It consolidated here in this range. Let's see what happens after this gap down. This is 80 points gap down. Let's see what happens after this gap down. Whether this will be able to pull back or it will fall in a straight line. Let's see. Based on the initial range, I'll take the trade. 9:24 a.m. I'm just waiting for how the market is behaving at yesterday's closing price. If it's going to break or is it going to get rejected from here. I'm just watching. That is a place to take entry for a short trade or a long trade. I'm watching that level. Or if there is any rejection candle forms somewhere in this range in a 15 minutes time frame, I'll take the trade. 9:31 a.m. 15 minutes candle closed and it covered entire yesterday's range. Nifty is trading above first 15 minutes high. I'm looking for this previous day's high. If this level is broken, I'm going to go long. This level should break and close above that level. And it's trading at exactly at the yesterday's closing. If there is a red candle here or if there is a breakout failure, I am going to short. If there is a successful breakout, I am going to go long. 9:44 a.m. I'm planning to take the entry on this high breakout. It is a clear breakout. I am planning to take the entry on this candle's high breakout, which is 676. It's already broken. I have placed 2 lots here, and my SL will be below this candle's low, which is a 640, almost 36 points. I'm just waiting for this order to trigger for my entry. It's filled. Let's place the SL. Is this going to fail or not? I don't know. I'm going to place the SL at 640. The SL is almost 36 points, 76 and 40, 36 points SL. Let's aim for 1:3 target, because in my weekly trading results, my win rate is 30% and my risk reward ratio is 1:1.34, which is not at all good. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to place the target order. If this is a rejection candle, I'm going to exit. Let's see what happens. As soon as my entry, it's showing a reversal sign in 5 minutes time frame. Let's see what happens. 10:11 a.m. I took the entry here and Nifty is hovering here. It made a pullback, small pullback. If this high crosses, it can go higher, and after this candle closing, I am going to trail my SL to here to this candle's low. Let's see what happens. And in 15 minutes time frame, it made a rejection candle. To go higher, it should trigger this high, this candle or a next candle. It should trigger this high. This reversal candle may be a trap for sellers to trap at this point. 10:30 a.m. as expected, this level broken, and this may be a trap for sellers. I'm going to trail my SL to here, which makes it this low is 658, so I'm going to trail it to 655. Let's do that. 655 means I'm going to reduce almost 20 points, 15 points less, and let's assume 15 points. I'm going to trail it 655. I reduced 15 points of SL from 36 points to 21 points. Let's see whether the trade works out or not. If this hits, I'll be out of the trade. 12:05 p.m. This trade I entered here and it's working out nicely. This is 1:1 hour, 1:2 hour, 1:3 hour, and 1:4 hour. I just trailed my SL to cost. Here you can see I just trailed my SL to cost, and I'm also in profit more than 1:1. I'll trail based on the swings. I'm going to take profit at 1:3 or 1:4. Let's see what happens. I'm going to go out for 30 minutes or 40 minutes. I'm just placing SL at entry price. Whatever happens, that happens. After coming back, I'll see. If it's moving higher, I'll be in the trade. If the SL hits, I'll see for new opportunities. 1:34 p.m. I just came back and Nifty is hovering in this range and it's trading above 1:1. This is a 1:1 level and it is a 1:2 level. It's not yet reached 1:2. Let's see what happens. I'm going to trail my SL to here, to this low. If this low hits, I'm going to exit my trade. I'm going to exit slightly below 1:1. If it hits, that level should not break. Let's see what happens. 2:06 p.m. My SL triggered at 2.5 and I reversed this position at 18,705. I don't know. what is going to happen, but I booked almost 30 points and I'm going to place a sell at 743. I exited at this point and reversed the position. It is an important level. If the 20 EMA breaks, we can see further fall. If it makes one more big candle, I am going to trail my sell to cost. Let's see what happens. The volumes are also increasing. 3:28 p.m. Here after breaking this swing, I exited here and reversed my position, and after this inside bar I trailed my SL to here. My actual SL is way above this one, and I trailed this SL. My SL got triggered here and now it's moving down. It's exactly at my second trade entry, or slightly below my entry. 10 points or 13 points. Let's check these orders. My first trade I entered at 676 at 946 and exited at 25. Almost I spent almost all the day on this trade. It reached almost 1:2, and then this swing broken. I trailed my SL to below this swing, so this swing broken and I exited my trade. After that I reversed the position. I thought market may fall. I reversed the position and it triggered my trailing SL. I wanted to reduce the SL as soon as possible, so I trailed it. It triggered. Anyway, I'm out of the trade. I was in a profit of almost 6.5k from here to here. 6.5k profit, 65 points of profit. My initial SL is somewhere around 35 or 36 points. Almost achieved 1:2. Then I exited at 1:1, slightly at 1:1, and after the second trade, I'm closing the day at break even. That's fine. It's not a problem. Today is a clean day, simple and easy day, but I'm ending the day with break even.